Well, this is a video how you can test the external speed input of the controller to see if it is working, and at the same time we have a chance to test the speed output to the speedometer. But the first thing I'm doing is that I put a cable into the external speed input, which is normally comes from the ABS sensor or where else it can come from. But now it's connected, and you see that it says external speed here. Now we need to connect to the speedometer output, because then we can actually read the controller's own output. I've done that like that. Middle row, the bottom row, and we see here speedometer output there. Okay, what I'm going to do now is that I will set it up in the setup menu to external speed. That was a little bit too long. Speed, internal, external. I set it to a 0 and I save it. Now the controller will accept an external speed. What I'm going to do now is that I go into the setup menu again and I hold the joystick down. I will go down to the very end where I have the tachometer out. I go in here and I set it to -3, because then I will have a speed signal going from 0 to 250. When I save it, it will start sending signal. And now I already see that I have a signal, a speed signal, and I see that the kilometer is start counting up. If I remove it, it will stop, and if I connect it, it will start again. That is a test for the external speed.